Hi.
Draw a line.
To meet our room.
How many people go home by car?
Let's go meet our room.
Okay.
Here's the bed.
Write 3 there, and why?
It's quite messy. Here is the nice bed with a person that's not supposed to be on it. Ooh, pretty bed, pretty bed. There's a light and another light, and it switches to the light. And my bag, pretty full. And here's our nightstand. Here's our nightstand. Yep. I know y'all jealous. And here is our entertainment center. Nicholas, stop. Prettiful. Let's go see what's inside.
Get your shoes and socks on there.
Would you look at that? It's a TV. Not right now, though. And here is a fridge and a safe with pizza on top of
Can you
it.
behave yourself? Then you can get out of the corner.
And here's what's on top of our entertainment center. Oh, look, it's a Mickey lamp. Fun. There's the desk over there.
Sit down on the floor and get your shoes and socks on now.
Here is the chair. Woo! And let's look at our view. It's got peoples inside of it. Oh, look, it's the water slide. It's really fun. That's our pool. At night, there's a big sheep on the pool. It's Mickey and him swimming with the fishes. And here's traffic. Isn't that a great view? Oh, look at all the pretty traffic. All those cars. Yep. Oh, here's a lamp. It's a side. Actually, that's a side table. Let's get a closer look on the Mickey lamp. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Go look at our closet. Here's the closet. Quite messy, but it's alright. We're all kind of messy sometimes. Who's that person who's pointing at me? Oh, goodness, I'm scared.
Buzz Lightyear doesn't use a lightsaber.
Alright, we're safe now. Bye-bye. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye.